And welcome to Mr. Teach. We're going to be looking at my Google Classroom today. I'm here with
Bob.
Bob, my student
It's not Bob, it's Joel Jackson.
Joel Jackson. Okay, this Google Classroom that I've created looks at the basic operations in maths. We're doing this as a revision unit, and the four basic operations. The first one is addition. So I'm just clicking on the addition link in the folder. What do you think of it so far, Joel?
And remember, don't try any of this at home. It looks great.
That's right, could be dangerous. So here we go, it's just loading, and hopefully this is going to play. Here we go. Hopefully it's still loading. Hopefully there's not a problem here with the volume.
It's buffering.
It's buffering, it's buffering.
Oh, nice.
Right, welcome to the... Here we go. Sorry about that, everyone. We're going to start with addition. So this one is very simple. We're going to start in our units column. We've got to remember our place value. We've got units, we've got tens, we've got hundreds. In our units column, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So that's, we do a worked example, we continue on with a second example, and then we have a worksheet for the students to complete. And I'll just see now if I can get back. Nope, I've gone full screen, that's not what I wanted to do. Here we are, we're back to the Google Classroom again. So that's basic, the basic operations there. So it gives a worked example on addition, and then we have a worksheet in there for the kids to do at home, just with a couple of questions, and then in class we'll be looking at that. So now we're going on to division, and a similar thing. We're going to have, if you can click play for me, Joel Jackson. Joel Jackson. Here we go with division. Back to the basic operations revision unit, and we're on to division. Okay. A great way to think about division is sharing. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. So here this question's asking us to share 85, could be anything, let's call it lollies, 85 lollies between 8 friends. Alright, the way we do this, now 8, we go. Alright, so you can see, once again, we've got a worked example. Clip goes on for about 3 minutes, so I'm not going to run the whole thing through for you. And then we come into some examples for the kids to do in their books, and then the following day at school that's right, we work some more examples in class. So that was division, then we go down to multiplication. Similar thing again, I'll just get Joel to get that going for us.
Remember that, children. Remember that, children.
And here we go, so this is the multiplication section of the unit. Alright, welcome back to the basic operations revision. We're going to be looking at multiplication now, so let's get started. Once again, we're going to remember to use our units, tens, hundreds, thousands, using our place value. Our times sign down here. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, and there's our answer. That's very simple. Yeah, so we start with a simple example. Once again, this clip goes for about 2 minutes and 20. So I'll just take it through as fast as I can. And now we're going on to two-digit multiplication. So 2 times 4, we're working in the units column. 2 lots of 4 is 8. We're putting that down there. Now we're heading in this direction. 2 lots of 4 is 8. This is just using times tables. Now coming down here, we have to remember to put in a placeholder. So we put in a 0 here, because now we're starting to work not with units, but we're going to be working with tens and hundreds. Alright, so 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 4 is 4. Now to finish, we have to add. Okay, so once again, we run through the 2 examples, and then we put in some for the kids to try at home in their book, just 3 or 4, before returning to school the next day, where we'll do it in more detail. The final one in the series, or the unit, is of basic operations, is subtraction, and this is Joel. No, what?
A greedy pig video.
Oh, we should. Joel wants to do a greedy pig. We play greedy pig sometimes. It's a great little game. We should. Okay. Subtraction is next in the revision of our 4 basic operations. So let's have a look at a problem. All right. 4,982. Take away 153. Once again, we need to work in our units. Once again, same thing. This clip goes for 3 minutes. We're working through the examples, looking at the place value, the borrowing, payback, and then giving some examples for the kids to try at home before returning to school the next day, and doing it in more detail in class. And that completes my unit on the basic operations. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much.
Signing out.
Joel, signing out.
Sign out.